Hey guys, welcome to CodeGoin. In this quick video, we will be installing Unity Hub into your Windows laptop or PC. So first go to your favorite web browser and search for Unity Engine. Click on the first link that pops up. This is the Unity website. Now click on Get Started. So basically there are three different flavors of Unity. The first one is the free version, that's the personal version. The other two are Pro and Plus version. Both have paid subscription to them. As a beginner, you'll be mostly using the personal version. So let's click on Get Started for free. Click on Go here. Here you have to accept the terms of services. Click on this box and the website tells you to download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is basically a one and all hub for all the Unity engines that you might install, and it also acts as a hub for all the projects that you might make in the future. So let's click on that. Click on Save File. Now I'll open it. Okay, now I'll click on I agree. You can change the destination path or keep it as default and click on Install. I'll tick mark on Run Unity Hub and click on Finish. Alright, so this is your Unity Hub. You might be greeted with a welcome screen. At that point, you should log in with your Unity ID or your social media profiles and you will be greeted with this screen. This might be empty for you as you haven't created any projects yet. Let's click on Install. This screen might be empty as well as you haven't installed any engines. So let's click on Add and install an engine. Now here are the different versions of Unity. Just install whichever is the latest stable version is at your point in time. Below here are the alpha and beta versions of the engine. I'll advise against installing this as they contain bugs and as a beginner you don't want that. So let's click on this one and click on next. Now here you can add different modules to your version of Unity. The first one is a Microsoft Visual Studio community. This is where basically you will be coding your script. So definitely install this. Below are the platforms on which you can deploy on. That being Android, iOS, tvOS, Linux, Mac, Windows, WebGL, Facebook Game Room, LuminOS. I have tick marked on Android as I'll be making videos on that. You can tick mark one or multiple on which you plan to deploy on. Next is the documentation. You can skip this if you have limited internet connection. You can always come back to this and add and remove whatever module you want. Below that are the language packs. Let's click on next. Now here you have to accept the terms and condition and click on done. After you click on done, the Unity Hub should start installing your version of Unity with all the modules that you might have selected. Depending on your internet connection, this step might take time and the time might vary for each one of us. Just sit back and let Unity Hub do its work. After everything is done, you should be ready to start game development with Unity. In the next video, we'll see how to set up Unity Remote with Android smartphone and Windows. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.